Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So all of you are doing good, right? And I have got many reviews like people are enjoying learning German. They were waiting for my next video. So just keep learning and keep enjoying, and in case of any doubts, I'm right here. Okay? Till now I've not taught anything much difficult, but I would request you to keep learning. Like, do not skip any of the classes so that it will be easy for you to learn. Okay? So today we are here with our fourth lesson, and it's about like introduction in German language. It's introduction, like you're getting into any interview or anywhere. So what is the basic thing they'll ask you first of all? Can you introduce yourself in German language? So yes, we should know that, right? So let's begin with the introduction. So guys, now let's start with the introduction in German language. That is Die Vorstellung, D-I-E-D, and Vorstellung, V-O-R-S-T-E-L-L-U-N-G, Die Vorstellung. This is our Lektion 4, that is lesson number 4. Okay, so now let's begin with the sentences. So to start with it, can you tell me, like when you come across some stranger or some new person, or you are going for an interview, what is the first question they generally ask you? They ask us, who are you? Our identity, our name, right? So here we begin with the same. Wie heißen Sie? Who are you? Wie, W-I-E is wie, heißen, H-E-I S-E-N, wie heißen Sie? Okay. Ich heiße Anshika. I am Anshika. Ich is I-C-H, heiße, H-E-I-S-E, Anshika. I am Anshika. Okay. Wie ist Ihr Name? What is your name? Ist stands for is. Okay, ist is. Year means your. Year is your. Later on I'll tell you the full of it, like how it goes on, all the modal verbs and everything I'll be telling you. But for now you need to learn in the beginning this one, okay? So that you are at least thorough with the basics. Wie ist Ihr Name? Mein Name ist Anshika. My name is Anshika. It's not name in German. It's known as Name. How do we pronounce it as? Name. As we learned, A is known as A in German. So it becomes Name. Okay. Mein Name ist Anshika. My name is Anshika. Okay. We can use any of these. Wie heißen Sie or wie ist Ihr Name? Okay. Next is, wie ist Ihr Vorname? The person can also ask, what is your first name? What is your Vorname? Before name. As I told you earlier, vor is known as before. So it is, wie ist Ihr Vorname? Before name. Mein Vorname ist Anshika. As we answer in English, what is your name? So we answer in the same form, right? My name is Anshika. Okay. So like if someone is saying you, what are you called in your like hometown, or what is your nickname? So how do you reply? My nickname is this. Okay. So it's similarly how we do it over here. Woher kommen Sie? Woher means from where. Please note, woher means from where. From where are you coming? Like from where are you coming? Woher kommen Sie? Ich komme aus Indien. Ich komme aus Indien. I come. Komma is come. Please note that komma is come. Okay. Ich komme aus Indien. For Indian, pronunciation is fine. Indian only we are using. But when it comes to spelling, it is I-N-D-I-E-N. I-N-D-I-E-N. Please note that it is not Indian, it is Indien in German. Okay. So now let's continue with the further questions. Wie ist Ihr Familienname or Nachname? What is your family name or after name? As I told you, for means before and nach means after. So now they are asking your family name or your after name. We can understand by this very clearly. They are asking us our surname. Family name means surname, obviously, right? So, mein Familienname ist Gupta. You can write down whatever is yours. Mine is Gupta, so I am writing Gupta. My family name is Gupta. Okay. Please write down English and Hindi, both of these. In case of any confusion, it will help you remember. Like if you are writing over here Hindi also, it will help you with the pronunciation, and English, it will help you learn faster. Okay. Wie alt sind Sie? Wie alt sind Sie? How old are you? So guys, here you might be confused about like we. Earlier I used to tell who. We are making it who. We spelling, the meaning of we. But here we have done it as how. So I would like to tell we has several meanings in German language. In German, it's not like one word has single meaning or something. There are few words that are used according to the like situation or something. So here we means how. Okay. How old are you? Alt means old. Sind are. Sie is you. Okay. Ich bin 24 Jahre alt. I am 24 years old. Jahre means years. Okay. Jahr you will write without E if it is 1 year, and Jahre means years as it is 24. So it's Jahre. Okay. Ich bin 24, as I told you about counting in the earlier lesson. Okay. I'm using it in German language. As long as like whatever we are learning in German, I'll stop using those words in English or in Hindi. I'll be using only German language so that you are able to grab it faster. Okay. Next is wie ist Ihr Postleitzahl? Wie ist Ihr Postleitzahl? Means pin code. Postleitzahl means pin code. Please learn it. Postleitzahl is pin code. So here they are asking for our pin code. What is your pin code? POSTLEITZAHL. It comes together. There is no space in this. It will come all together in German. Like if you are speaking a word all together, there will be no gap. Words can be longer. Okay. So use it the same way. Answer is meine Postleitzahl ist 11004. That I have spoken in German language. My pin code is 11004. 11004. Okay. Next is was studieren Sie? What? Was is what? Studieren, studying. Sie. So here the meaning of Sie is not only you. It will be what are you studying? It will become what are you studying in total. Okay. So here we are not studying a language. Language is never it's studied. It's learned. We are learning a language. So how do we answer it? It's Ich lerne Deutsch. Ich lerne Deutsch. LERNE. Deutsch I have written because German language is known as Deutsch language. In Germany the language used is known as Deutsch. Okay, Deutsch. Here I have written it for your convenience. German is known as Deutsch. Please note that it's very important. It's a very basic thing. Okay, I am learning German. Okay, was studieren Sie? Ich lerne Deutsch. Okay, so this is all for today. I'm not teaching too much in a class, but I would please request you to write down English also, Hindi also of the same, and whenever I'm teaching, note the important points. It depends upon person to person, what points do they feel important, or how quick they are to grab. Yeah, many of you have asked me, like some of you were facing issues, they were forgetting few things or something. So for them only I am saying, please start writing in Hindi also. It will be very easy for you to learn once you have started writing it in Hindi and English both. Okay, and in case of any doubts, I'm right there, so you can comment below or you can mail me. I've dropped my email ID below. And this is all for today. If you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe, as I tell you every time. Okay, see you very soon in the next class. Okay, bye bye.